wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap. Play my blood clot DJ. Come and shut a selector boy.
Boom! What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in this bed with another banger, you know, people. You already know what time it is. Yo, that mafia. You see what we're doing today, man? We're back in the lab today with Father Dippo. Yeah, we got Valiant, man. You feel me? And look like he just dropped a new track off a video. I believe this track is also off his new album. His new album, which is what 415. I think it is titled. Yeah, man. This is and I believe this is the track Crypto off his album. I believe this is Crypto. We listened to the album and the album was like lit. You know what I'm saying? And you know, since he dropped his album, Valiant hasn't been dropping much tune like that. You know what I'm saying? And I guess this is why I guess he wants the album to like really circulate and people get to hear the album, you know, before he started dropping new tracks. So I believe this video is also off of his album. I think I remember reacting to this one, gang. You remember when we went live and reacted to his album? I think this is one. This is a track that went crypto. You know what I'm saying? So I believe this is the track. I'm going to check it out and see where that can drop a video for you. I think that song does deserve a video. What you think, gang? Do you remember the reaction? I think he does. Deserve this one does deserve a video. You know what I'm saying? And yes, the album is 414. You know what I'm saying? So, but we're gonna check it out, gang, and see what that. So if you actually do this track justice, and if the video and everything match up, and see if it's still as good as as we remember when we reacted to it on the album. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. We don't know if Valiant are doing thing. You see me? I say Father Dippo himself. You see me got dance on a Joko right now. Everybody rocking with him. You know what I'm saying? So let's check out this new track and see how it goes. You see me? So we don't hold up much longer. I jump right in the track. This is Valiant Crypto. Let's get it.
Kick out the fire, my nigga Messiah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, this is a track, man. I believe it's Crypto. This is a track.
I'm a son now. Crypto. Big food, I'm a dog, I'm traveling a big truck.
Yeah, man, this is a track, man. We reacted to on the album. He made a video for it.
Crypto. Big food, I'm a dog, them traveling a big truck.
Yeah, man. See that I got the laptop out, man. You see me got the matrix screen like that. Them online I do some cryptocurrency. You know what I'm saying? I chop your line. Come in.
Crypto. Big food, I'm a dog, them traveling a big truck. UPSD.
Yeah, man.
Skull get charged, food clear off.
Yeah, man. Skull get charged and school food clear off. I want to, man. Yeah, man. This a vibe. I'm liking it so far. I liking the visuals as well.
Get the client, skull that I'm bottom under my science. Talk to my client. Hello.
This bad. Crypto.
Versace glasses, me have on the creed.
Hey, yeah, I missed the hook a while ago. Versace glasses, me have on the creed. Yo, gang, y'all want to see the video? Yeah, man, come on. Damn, I don't think I ever set up that one, so I can't use that view for you guys. Come on. But anyway, we're gonna continue. Come on.
Casablanca, I'm a mix with my jeans. Big duffel bag of money,
I vibe on the track, bro. I'm telling you, whoever produced this beat, bro, you're a genius. You know what I'm saying? And your beat choice is also good, Valiant. You know what I'm saying? Choosing this beat was great. Easy, no?
Crypto.
Big food, I'm a dog, I'm traveling a big truck. Hey. Crypto. Hey, gang, I'm rocking with this, man. Gang. What y'all think, man? Let me know in the comment section, gang. Yeah, man, this is a vibe, man. Come on.
Big food, I'm a dog, I'm traveling a big truck.
Easy, no, mama. Crypto. Big food, I'm a dog, I'm traveling a big truck.
UPSD. Currency, all about paper.
That's a fact. All about the paper, man. You know what I'm saying? All about that dollar.
Chasing the money, I'm more I pray for.
Oh, yeah, I mean. Chasing the money, I'm more I pray for.
USD and JMD. Buy out one here and big.
Easy, no? I said, girl overseas send me the USD and the JMD. Buy out a hair and be easy, no? Crypto.
Big food, I'm a dog, I'm traveling, I've been struck. Crypto.
Yeah, man, this a vibe, man. You know, tell me if you like, y'all like this one, gang. What y'all thought about the album, man? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, come on.
Big food, I'm a dog, I'm traveling, I've been struck. Yo, Messiah. Yo, now really watch out nobody, you know, bro. Just fuck up that big struck there and then, you know.
Bro, you the man them doing a thing, bro. Shout out to Valiant. This is a vibe. I like this video a lot. Come on. Y'all nigga doing it in dancehall, man.
Yo, fun.
Crypto.
Crypto.
What you mean, man? The boy got a take care now. Look, I can get a blood clean deal. We take care like Jeffrey.
Yo, you mean boy, you know, see my dog. Come see man, my father, man. Now which side my there already, bro. El Paso di North.
Easy,
with
no,
Daxco season, Grammarly is
yeah, man. Shout out to Father Dupo himself. You don't know Valiant do him thing, bro. Mr. Crypto. You see me big fool, my dog. I'm traveling that bring stuff himself. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Valiant making great moves out here. You see me, the album was fire, gang. Let me know what you think about it. Did y'all react to it? Did y'all see the album? Yeah, man, the album was fire. So let me know what y'all think about that one, gang. And yeah, does the video live up to the hype of the song or what we remember from the song? The song is still good from what I remember from the last time we reacted to it. It's still good, still a dope track, and the video is dope. So hopefully this will help boost his album and you know what I'm saying, and the numbers and everything. And I need to check up on that as well. And gang, I'm gonna bring the final review, album reviews. I'm gonna start do final album reviews. We're gonna do the final album review for Pablo YG, Byron Messiah, and also Valiant, because those are the three that we reacted to on the channel so far. So yeah, and whatever album we react to on the channel, we're gonna then do a final review and a rating on that as well. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, gang. So let me know what y'all think about that one. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. If you haven't checked out Valiant album as yet, make sure you go do that. If you haven't checked out my reaction to the album as well, make sure you go do that as well. You know what I'm saying? And if you like, go show the artist some love and support. Making sure that Jambisco and Sentinel. Yes, make sure you join the Discord. Link is in the description to the Discord. Make sure you join the Discord, gang. We live over there. You can talk to me directly and send me videos to react to, and also request videos from me to react to. So yeah, make sure you join the Discord. We live over there, gang. And yeah, we vibing, man. Dope track from Valiant. Glad to see Valiant back out here dropping videos. I guess he's trying to, maximize the potential reach of his album. So I guess why he's been quiet. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Shout out to Valiant. Keep doing this thing. Great artist, great work ethic, consistent quality and everything. So shout out to him, man. Gang, and you don't know, gang, you already know what time it is. My boy Jambisco is here. Another banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love, guys. And I'm out.